Good morning, DJ.
Good morning, Rakesh. How are you?
I'm fine.
Rakesh, did you understand what you learned before? I am asking about the tenses that you learned.
DJ, the way of your teaching it is very marvelous. To make sense, those who are beginners of English grammar. DJ, in the last time you taught me perfect present tense. But DJ, before that I didn't have any sound knowledge about perfect present tense. DJ, I would like to say thank to you that you gave me more information as well uses about perfect present tense.
Okay, Rakesh, the way of my teaching that you understood. For that, I am very happy today.
DJ, what is new content today?
Rakesh, today you will learn present perfect continuous tense.
Feeling happy, DJ, that I am going to learn another tense today from you.
Fine. Now listen carefully the definition of present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to link the past action with the present. It is used to show that an action that began in the past is continuing up to the present time. In other way, we can say the action was started in past and is continue in present time of speaking.
Please give me some example.
Okay, fine. The example can be, the plumber has been trying to repair the tap since morning. In this sentence, the action was started in the past. He started to repair in the past. And now also he is trying to repair it. The action is going on in present time also at the time of speaking. Another example can be, Nita has been reading a novel for 2 hours. In this sentence, Nita started reading the novel before 2 hours. She is reading still now in present times.
Okay, DJ, I understood. May I say the structure of this tense?
Yes, please say.
The structure of this tense for sentence is has plus have or has plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Am I right, DJ?
Absolutely correct, Rakesh. Very good.
DJ, may I say an example?
Yes,
We have been living here since 2001. Is it correct?
yes, it is.
Now tell me the uses of this tense.
Well, there are very few uses of this tense. Now listen the first use of this tense. The present perfect continuous tense used to denote a repeated or uninterrupted action. We do not use this tense when we mention the number of times an action is done. For example, my friend has been asking me to lend him my diary. In this sentence you can see that my friend has been asking me repeatedly to lend him my diary, and I haven't mentioned how many times he asked. This example is the example of present perfect continuous tense.
I understood. DJ, may I say an example?
Yes, you may.
Mahesh has been suggesting me to join karate class. In this sentence, the action of suggesting by Mahesh is repeated and I have not mentioned how many times. Am I right, DJ then?
Yes, you are right. Now listen the next use of this tense. This tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and continued for some time. It has been temporarily closed or finished at this time or this moment, but its effect is also continuing now. For example, I have been watering the gardens. In this sentence, I started watering the garden in past at some time in past. It was continued for some time in the past. Now it is closed. I am relaxed here talking with you. But the effect of watering is continued. Now you tell me the example.
I have been requesting father to bring a new kit of cricket for me.
Very good, Rakesh. You understood present perfect continuous tense properly. Now come with me and help me in garden.
Okay, DJ, I will be very happy to see the flowers in garden. Let's go.